we can test millions in a day. Now, how this COVID-19 COVID treat solution works? There can be, it depends on the scale of hospital. First of all, there are some or the other type of demarcation. If it all depends on the image processing model. The Arfica COV treat solution, we have trained our artificial intelligence based system on the basis or on the inputs of the affected patient's chest x-ray or chest CT scan images. Whenever a new case comes and that data, that image is being fed over in the Arfica COV treat solution, the Arfica COV treat diagnostic model would be easily able to recognize that this case is corona positive or corona negative. Now, how the process works? It depends on the size or scale of the hospital, that whether X-ray machine is available or a CT scan machine is available or both are available. Okay, if a scale of hospital is small and CT scan machine is not available, then also we are good to go for, we will use the X-ray machines over there. Now the X-ray images or the CT scan images of chest, market of chest, will be used as a data input. That images will be used as a data input for Arfica COV treat solution. Okay, now this Arfica COV treat solution also works in two parts. If this software can be installed in the existing machines or in the existing machines of hospital, like CT scan or X-ray machines, like that the existing X-ray or CT scan machines will be upgraded to COVID-19 testing kit. Okay, and if not, if a particular hospital is not, doesn't even want to go for it, then this software would be installed in a standalone system. The images from X-ray machines or from the CT scan machines will be used and will be fed into the Arfica COV treat software or COV treat machine, whether it is on an existing or standalone system. Based on the analyzation of the fed images from X-ray or CT scan machine, our software will give the result whether this case is corona positive or corona negative. With this, we have got on a testing model 99.37% of accuracy and 99.13% of specificity. So like this, we can test millions in a day, and after testing it would be quite easy for us to just take the precautionary measures and to save our beloved country from this global pandemic. We will fight from corona and will definitely come out with the flying colors. With this note, I'll just end, and thanks a lot from Team Arficus.